Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at Hamster Kombert update. We'll be looking at Hamster Kombert true listing price and how much you stand to make from the Hamster Kombert, because Hamster Kombert have betrayed its players by sharing the peanuts. Right? Let's head over to the airdrop sessions and let's see. Okay, you can see that a lot of things have changed because tomorrow is the day. In less than 24 hours, Hamster Kombert is going to go live. Okay, Hamster Kombert will go live in less than 24 hours. So you can see currently here things have changed, which says transfer to wallet in Telegram. This has been transferred already to my wallet on Telegram. That is this particular volume. But this particular volume of 27 have been vested. Okay, that is, they have hold this one back automatically. This is the total of what I got. This has been minused, and I've gotten this added to my Telegram wallet. So let's see. We're going to look at straight like Hamster Kombert listing price and see how much you stand to earn with the peanut you have been given as Hamster token. Okay, so let's quickly dive into Bybit to see how much exactly Hamster is going to list, because there's a video I dropped last few days that Hamster Kombert is already trading on Bybit derivatives. Okay, on Bybit derivatives, and it's trading there with a real volume. So let's quickly dive into that. But before I go into that, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. And if you're returning viewers and you're kind of yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos. Okay, so let's quickly dive into Bybit to see what's going on there. So we are right here on Bybit. We are really right here on Bybit, and we have a lot of okay, we have our Hamster currently or partially available on the on this Bybit exchange. It's showing here that new listing Hamster Kombert, grab a share of what? Grab a share of 700,000. Okay, I'm going to come back to that. So let's quickly go to your assets. If you quickly go to your assets, you're going to click on assets. If you click on assets, you're going to come down a little and see that Hamster Kombert is being added. Okay, you see that Hamster Kombert is being added, and now in this place I have 1,189, right? So let's see how much do we really stand to earn. Okay, how much is this Hamster Kombert price that we're talking about? I'm going to click on derivatives because it's currently happening in derivatives. You can see this is the Hamster Kombert current price, 0.0106. You can see. So with this, how much exactly do you stand to make? It's very poor. Okay, so Hamster Kombert's listing price is being revealed. It's going to be 0.01 or even less than that. But this is what is available currently. But on what price was Hamster listed on? Was Hamster traded on these derivatives? Hamster Kombert was first traded on these derivatives at 0.005. I dropped video of something of this nature the other time, and it went as high to 0.02, which is a bit rational. But if Hamster Kombert is going to list on sports, I think it's going to be more than this price. Okay, it will really going to be more than this very price. That is my hope. But this is the price now. The price now is 0.01059. You can see. So we're going to go into check how much you can earn if you have 1,000 of this Hamster Kombert coin. So let's quickly go to my calculator and see. Don't forget, take this figure down. Take this figure down, 0.01059. Take that figure down. So right here in my calculator, we have the current volume, the listing price of 0.01059, right? Okay. What if you have 1,000 of this coin? How much will you gain? Let's say 1,000 of this very coin. Okay, multiply by 0.010. You see, this is what you got. Very poor, 10.5 USD. You see, this is what you stand to gain. And what if you have 4,000 of this coin? If you have 4,000 of this coin, how much do you stand to gain? A bit good. That is 42. There is like 42. So converting to like Nigeria currency, how much do you stand to gain with this? Okay, if you have 4,000 hamster, it will be equal to 1,000. Let's say 1,000. Let's just say 650 multiplied by 4,000. Oh, sorry, multiplied by 42. That is 69. Less than 70,000, right? And if yours is like the first one, which is 1,000, 1,000 is what, 10.5, you gain 17,000. Okay, and so on. So you can see, you can do this calculation yourself and see how much really you stand to earn with this tap to earn games that has taken a lot of people's time. Okay, but we hope for it to go higher than it's doing currently, of which I can see some efforts and a positive momentum that is currently happening. Okay, so it can actually go beyond this. It can take like plus 80, plus 100, or even plus 1,000. Okay, if it gets a positive move, it can get plus 1,000 or even plus 2,000. It's very possible. On that occasion, this can quickly move to 0. Even 5. That is what we hope. Okay, so I wish you all the best. All you just need to do is to make sure you subscribe to my channel. Drop your questions if you do have any question, and if you do not have a Bybit account yet, I'm going to drop a link at the descriptive sections of this very video so that you can use it to like sign up, okay, and keep enjoying it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me. I'll be stopping here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.